Hello guys, today we will learn how to make the hair simulation of dash model. We don't need the hair grooms, we are just using our dash hair for our model. You can see we can now use the Kawaii physics to our dash hair, and you can see we don't need any kind of hair groom and any kind of hair of metahuman. We are will perfect, and it will be easy class. So let's begin. So first of all, we need to download the plugins Kawaii Physics. This is free. I will give the link of this Kawaii Physics in my description. You just go there and download the Kawaii Physics plugin from here. After download the Kawaii Physics, uh, add the Kawaii Physics folder to your project file. You can see in my plugin file I already have the Kawaii physics. You just download the Kawaii physics zip file, unzip it, and copy it to your project plugin folder. Okay. You can see I have two plugins, Dash to Unreal and Kawaii physics. After copying the plugin, go to the plugins and search Kawaii physics, and you can see we just enable it. Okay, I'm already enable it. You just enable it and restart your project. So after doing that, you just head back to your character blueprint. Here you can see this is our character, and here we have a animation blueprint we made in our previous class, ABP test model. We are just browse it, and here for the hair physics. So here for the hair physics, we want to need the hair bone of our character. Okay, so just go to the skeleton here, and you can see this is our character skeleton, but this is our reference character skeleton. We need to go to our test model character skeleton. So this is our character skeleton. We are just open it, and here we need to know about the hair bone name. Okay, so just go to the I button here, select the bone and press all, and you can see all bone is appear here. And for the head bones and hair bone, you can see font R. You can see this is our font hair bone. So we just copy the bone here, head back to our animation blueprint here, and we are search here. First of all, we need to name it slot default. Okay, and search Kawaii. Search Kawaii physics. You can see the node is appear here. This will make automatically to note, and in the Kawaii physics we need to select the root bone. So we are just paste the bone name here and select it and compile. So let's hit play and check it. Now you can see our hair is moving fast. So make it perfect. Let's head back to our animation blueprint and change the alpha to zero point 0.2 and compile. And here you can see our hair is now working normal. Okay. And for make it perfect, let's head back to our skeleton again. We need to the back hair physics too. So here you can see we are selecting the back hair. There will be two back hair bone here. This is the back hair, and we are just copy this and go to pin, and here just copy these things and selected the root bone to our copy bone name. Oh, sorry, I'm selecting copy the wrong bone name here. Bone name, Control V, and you can see our back L come here. And also we need another Kawaii physics node here, and we are changing it to back R. Compile it. Now let's check it. Now you can see our back here is moved, but it's little. We are just change it the alpha little more 0 point, not the 0 point. I'm just taking 2. It's 0.4, and also make it to 0.4. Compile it and let's play. And you can see our hair will move properly now. You can see we don't need the hair grooms. We are just using the Kawaii physics for the hair. You can see our hair is perfectly moving naturally. So this is good. And for the more perfection, we are copy and search this hair bone. You can see this is the hair bone, and I am just copy the bone name here. Go to the animation blueprint again and select the root bone to this. And also copy it and change the root bone to L font. This is right. We need the left. Okay, I think it will be the left. Let's check it. Yes, this is the left. So I'm just selecting the left and compile. Now let's check it. Now you can see our hair is moving, but it's move first. So we are just changing the alpha. Here is 0.2 and also changes to 0.2. You can customize it by changing the alpha. So just play now. You can see our character here is perfect. For the class, I am just doing this customization. You can customize your own by changing the alpha variable, and you can see our character is perfectly character here is perfectly work. You can see. So this is good. So thank you for watching the full video. If you want to learn something from me, just comment and like, share my channel, and give me support. Thank you very much.